picture on their own camera or phone. And once you cross the street, you actually just walk about 2 minutes walk to South Beach where the water is. Wanted to rent a boat or some jet skis, you can go in there and ask. Do you reckon? This is the west side of South. Flying around. Last trip we had some guy eating a salami sandwich. It flew, hit the guy in the back. Oh my God, forget it. Those are there for emergency purposes only. In reality, we don't really need them. But if you do see me or the captain jump off the boat, this is Alright guys, as we go on the boat there, we got